Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with an unforgettable moral about embracing your true creativity and believing in your colorful dreams. Have you ever wondered what happens if a kitchen appliance dreams at night? In a tiny town, a cheerful licuadora named Lira hummed with a secret wish. Lira was no ordinary blender. She sparkled with rainbow buttons and dreamed of mixing not smoothies, but dazzling colors that could paint the entire sky. Each night, while the house slept, she spun quietly, blending bits of moonlight, starlight, and forgotten crayon tips into glowing jars of shimmering hues. Her best friend, a shy silver spoon named Clinky, listened to her songs and admired her courage. Together, they believed their colors could change the world. One evening, Lira discovered she had created a shade no one had ever seen before. A swirling, dancing color that shimmered like laughter and gentle hugs. Excited, she showed Clinky, who gasped in awe. The new color lifted them gently, floating their small kitchen corner into a dreamy, glowing rainbow cloud. The world outside shifted. Trees glittered, rivers gleamed, and rooftops glowed. Children peeked out windows, giggling with delight at the magical spectacle above. But then, something strange happened. The colors didn't stop spreading. Soon, the town was drenched in overwhelming hues that blinded rather than brightened. Lira panicked. "I just wanted beauty, not chaos," she whispered. Clinky shivered, unsure how to help as the rainbow cloud grew wilder and stronger. Houses began to melt into swirling streams of paint, and animals stumbled through puddles of shifting shades. What once felt magical now felt frightening. Lira closed her lid tightly and trembled. She hadn't meant for her gift to turn dangerous. Her heart ached at the thought of harming those she loved. Suddenly, a deep voice echoed from the swirling skies. It was Shade, a mysterious figure formed from forgotten shadows that the light had hidden away. Shade declared, "Colors without balance drown the world. Only by blending harmony and shadow can true beauty exist." His words thundered like drums. Clinky clattered nervously but nodded. "Maybe he's right, Lira. You need to mix balance, not just brightness. Let's try to include the gentleness of Shade." Lira hesitated, but then she gathered courage. She opened her jar of colors and carefully invited Shade to pour his calm darkness into the mixture. The blender whirred softly, not wildly. Light and shadow danced together, twirling gracefully until the colors became softer, richer, and full of depth. The rainbow storm calmed. The overwhelming brightness melted into calm, sparkling skies, where colors glowed warmly instead of blindingly. Balance had returned. The townsfolk cheered. Children twirled in the gentle glow, their laughter echoing as animals pranced through meadows painted with peaceful, glowing pastels. Lira sighed with relief. It worked! By embracing shadow, I found harmony. Her heart felt lighter, as though she herself had been reborn in color. Shade bowed deeply. "You see, Lira, creativity needs balance to thrive. Too much of one side overwhelms. Together, both shine brighter than alone." Clinky jingled happily. "You've given the world not just beauty, but peace. Now everyone can see the colors as stories instead of storms." That night, Lira rested for the first time without worry. She no longer feared her dream, but welcomed it with gratitude, knowing she could guide it. In the morning, people awoke to skies painted with gentle pink sunrises, deep indigo nights, and playful streaks of golden light dancing on the rooftops. Lira became beloved, not feared. Children left paper near her buttons, and she painted skies with pictures of dragons, castles, and shimmering rainbows. Even shade lingered, no longer hidden but respected, often whispering wisdom that reminded everyone that shadows were friends, not foes to run from. Clinky beamed with pride at his friend. "You've shown everyone the power of imagination, and that even mistakes can lead to brighter, wiser tomorrows." Birds chirped in new tunes, matching the colors above, while rivers sparkled in silver streams, carrying the laughter of fish painted in soft rainbows. Lira hummed with contentment, knowing she had not lost her gift, but instead discovered its true purpose: to inspire without overwhelming the world. And so, every night she created skies where dreams could float, balanced with shadows that gave depth and meaning to the bright, shining colors. Moral: true creativity blossoms when brightness and shadow dance together, teaching us that harmony makes beauty last and keeps wonder safe for everyone. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.